Good morning, children. Today we are going to start unit number 8, Fundamental of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. And in this chapter, there are various topics like meaning of anatomy, meaning of physiology, meaning of kinesiology, function of skeletal system, classification of bones and types of joints, property of muscles, structure and function of muscles, function of circulatory system, equilibrium, center of gravity and its application in sports. So your first topic is meaning of anatomy. Meaning of anatomy, and the meaning of anatomy is study of body structure. Example, the shape, size, weight and the location of various organs. Next is meaning of physiology, and the meaning of physiology is study of body function. For example, we get the knowledge of function of human heart. Next is meaning of kinesiology, and the meaning of kinesiology is study of body movement. For example, flexion and extension. Now your next topic is importance of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in physical education. And the first point is anatomy provide the knowledge of structure of various organ. And already in the meaning of anatomy we have learned that the meaning of anatomy is study of body structure. So with the help of anatomy we can learn various structure of various organs. Next is physiology provides the knowledge about the function. So by physiology we can learn the various function of our body, how they work. Next is understanding human movement. So with the help of kinesiology we can learn the various human movement, for example flexion and extension. Next is use in the selection of sports. So with the help of anatomy, we can select various player for various sports. And the last one is useful in the prevention from sports injury. So if we have a good knowledge of physiology and anatomy, and injuries is the part of games and sports like strain, sprain, fracture. So if we have a proper knowledge of human anatomy and physiology, we can prevent from sports injuries. Your next topic is function of skeletal system, classification of bones and types of joints. First is skeletal system, and in our skeletal system there are 213 bones in the children and 206 bones in adults. These bones differ in shape and size. As you know that कि हमारी जो bones होती हैं वो सब क्या होती है, अलग अलग shape और size की होती है. And these bones are joined together by ligament. Skeletal system can be divided into two parts. Axial. Number one is axial skeleton, and this skeleton consists the following bones. Number one, skull. In our skull there are 28 bones. Sternum, chest bone एक सिंगल होती है. Ribs, there are 24 bones in our ribs और 12 पेयर होते हैं. Next is hyoid bones, and hyoid bones there are one bones जो हमारे गले की हड्डी जो होती है उसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज वर्टिब्रल column, and there in our vertebral column there are 26 bones in our adult and 33 bones in children. Next is appendicular skeleton, and this skeleton consists the following bones. uh, Further this is divided into two parts, upper limbs and lower limbs. In our upper limbs there are 64 bones, and in our lower limbs there are 62 bones.